miss you the whole time. On my mind is how much I'm going.
Hey guys, welcome back to Boston Bullet. So I have a surprise for Bullet, and they are tickets on a helicopter ride.
And he doesn't even know.
I told him we were going out to eat with a couple friends, and that's where he thinks we're heading to. I don't even know why I signed his waiver and I signed my waiver, because I am very scared actually on even going in the first place. You know, I'll try it first time seeing. Like, this is the helicopter with the doors off. He is going to be so scared. His reaction before we get on gonna be crazy. He's gonna be mad. I know he is. He's gonna be mad and scared, saying he's not getting on. But watch.
I'm gonna make him get on.
You gonna let me?
You trying to prank me?
Am I freaking pranking you? Oh, I look good. Whatever. That's why your forehead big.
Hey, baby.
Some tickets
Tickets to what?
to get on a helicopter. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Helicopter
We're
for?
getting on a helicopter ride, and I signed your waiver already, so we're good.
You're my baby, my lover, my lady. All night you make me want you. It drives me crazy. I feel like you were made just for me, babe. Tell me if you feel the same way. Does it just feel so right? I don't wanna waste no time. If I had to choose, I know I'm gonna always choose to be with you. Cause girl, don't you know? Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful? I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not just tonight, but the rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side. Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful? I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not just tonight, but the rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side. When you're not here, you don't know how much I miss you. The whole time on my mind is how much I'm gonna get to make you feel so good. Like you know I could. Tell me if you feel the same way. Cause it just feels so right. I don't wanna waste no time. Girl, if I had to choose, I know I'm gonna always choose to be with you, girl.